हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम यू ऑल इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल अनुराधा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.2 ऑफ क्लास 6 चैप्टर नंबर 4। राइट चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज बेसिक ज्योमेट्रिकल आइडियाज एक्सरसाइज 4.2। सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दैट इज क्लासिफाई कर्व एज ओपन और क्लोज्ड। आपको क्लासिफिकेशन करना है। दीज कर्व्स आर गिवन टू यू। आपको बताना है कौन सा ओपन है, कौन सा क्लोज्ड है। अगर आपने मेरी पिछली वीडियो देखी है, लास्ट वीडियो देखी है, देन यू कैन इजीली टेल ऑल द आंसर्स। नाउ सी, लेट अस डू दिस वन। सी द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज, देखो ये एंड पॉइंट है, दिस इज एंड पॉइंट। आर दे मीटिंग ईच अदर? नो, दैट मीन्स दिस इज व्हाट? ओपन, राइट? दिस इज ओपन। ओके, नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड वन। सी, यहाँ पे कोई किसी भी जगह पे कुछ ओपन पार्ट दिख रहा है? नहीं। दैट मीन्स दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड फिगर, दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड कर्व। नाउ सी दिस वन फिगर, ये देखो यहाँ जगह है ना, सो दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज एन ओपन। क्यों? क्योंकि इसके एंड पॉइंट्स जो है आपस में जुड़े हुए नहीं है, दे डू नॉट मीट ईच अदर। दैट मीन्स दिस इज ओपन कर्व। नाउ सी दिस वन, here is, it starts from this end point and again it is going back and meet this point. That means two end points meet each other. That means which curve is this? That is closed curve. Now come to the last one, that is this one figure. This is what? See, कहीं पे भी कोई खाली जगह दिख रही है? No. Made by line segments और enclosed figure है. This is also what? Closed. What? Closed figure. Now come to the second question. See children, second question is what? Draw the rough diagram. Draw rough diagram. Draw rough. Okay, rough diagram for what? For open figure. One open and another one is closed. Right now you can see here, I am just drawing it. रफ फिगर बनानी है, रफ डायग्राम बनाना है, ओपन बनाना है। ओपन you can make C. Simple. Then E also you can make, or F. Simple. Now see, closed. Closed बनाना है तो what you can make O. You can make square. Right? Simple. Okay children, now come to the next question, that is, now here is your third question. Draw any polygon. You have to draw any polygon and shade its interior part. Again I am saying, in last video I told you all the three regions of the polygon. Closed figure के तीनों regions बताए थे. So I am just making one closed curve, right? Okay, they are saying what? Polygon. This is curve. Again here I just made a polygon, right children? Now shade its what? Interior. Is it a polygon? It is not a polygon. Why? Because it is a curve. दूसरी चीज, it is not. Why it is not a polygon? Because this is not made from line segment. ये line segment से नहीं बना हुआ. That is why this is not a polygon. Okay. Here is our polygon. Here is our polygon. This is having four sides. Now they are saying shade its interior. Interior क्या हो गया इसके? अंदर का part. We have shaded its interior. So this is its interior part. If they are asking exterior, so this one outside it is or exterior region. Okay. Okay. Now children, let us come to the next question. Here is our fourth question. Consider the figure. We have to consider this figure and answer the question. So the very first question is it a curve? क्या ये curve है? Is it a curve? Yes. In mathematical language, if any figure is made by even line segment, then also that is a curve. But all the curves are not polygon. Keep in mind this. सारे curve polygon नहीं हो सकते, लेकिन all the polygons can be curve, right? Now see, is it a curve? Yes, it is a curve. Yes. Why? Because curve can be made up of line segments also, right? Now see, Is it closed? Is it closed? Yes, it is closed. कहीं से हमें open space दिख रहा है इसका? नहीं दिख रहा. This is all closed figure. Yes, it is a closed curve. It is a closed curve. Right, children? Now let us come to the next question. That is question number 5. Yes, children. Now let us come to the last question of this exercise. That is, illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with rough diagram. आपको एक rough diagram बनाना है और इन तीनों के आंसर्स देने हैं. Okay, right? See the first one. A closed figure that is not a polygon. एक closed figure बनाएंगे जो polygon नहीं है. Polygon की property क्या होती है? वो line segment से बनती है. Okay, so हम line segment नहीं बनाएंगे. Closed curve that is not a polygon. Make a circle. Simple. हो गया. Second, an open curve. An open curve made up of entirely, what they have said, if possible, each one of the following with rough. Okay, it is possible. We have made an open curve made up of entirely of line segment. Open curve हो और line segment से बना हुआ open curve made up entirely of line segment. So we have made what? This one. Open curve है, entirely of line segment से बना हुआ है. Okay, this one. Okay, then see the next one. A polygon with two sides. Is it possible? एक polygon है, that means more than two sides. I told you more than two sides होना चाहिए. More than two sides होना चाहिए. Then only that will become a closed figure. यानी कि polygon is a closed figure, closed plane figure which is made by more than two sides. So is it possible? No, it is not possible. No, it is not possible. Okay, one thing I just forget to tell you about polygon. We have in our last video we have done its vertices, its sides, adjacent sides and adjacent adjacent sides and adjacent vertices. Okay, sides, vertices, adjacent side, adjacent vertices. हमने चार चीजें पढ़ी. One more thing is left. Suppose I have made this polygon, right? ये polygon बनाया. These are the sides of the polygon. ये चारों sides हो गए. These are the vertices. Vertices हो गए. ये side के ये दोनों vertices adjacent vertices हो गए. ये vertices का ये adjacent side हो गया. Okay. इसके ये और ये adjacent side हो गए. Right. One more thing is there. When opposite vertices meet each other, na, they form what? Diagonal. This I just forget to tell you. Diagonal. One more, that polygon is having one more element in it. जैसे side होता है, vertices होते हैं, it is having diagonal also. So this is diagonal, जो opposite vertices को मिलने से बनते हैं. Right? So a square is having two diagonals. That you will read more about this in your 7th or 8th class. Okay. So here is our exercise over. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में with the next new topic. Till then, goodbye children. Subscribe, like and share my channel. All the best to you. Thank you.